Hi everybody, my name is Tallulah May, and I'm here to bring you the Aminal of the Day. Here on my Aminal channel, you'll see the cutest and craziest critters from the sky, land, and sea. Today's Aminal is from the sky, and he has wings and a flickering tongue, and he carries a ruby with him wherever he goes. That's the ruby-throated hummingbird.
Stubborn little fellow, isn't he?
Very stubborn.
The boy ruby-throated hummingbird has a very bright red throat, but the girl hummingbird doesn't. That's so they can blend in with the tree bark, so they can protect their little babies. Sometimes the mommy hummingbird has 2 to 3 rounds of babies. They live in woodland areas and flower gardens. Their favoriteest things to eat are nectar and sap. Plant juice. While the hummingbird flits from flower to flower, they pollinate them, which means they help the flowers to grow. The boy hummingbirds can eat twice their body weight in food. They need to do this when they leave North America to spend winter in Mexico. And they can fly up to 500 miles without taking a break. That's a lot of flying. I'm sure he would be very, very tired after that. And he would need lots of sleep. Speaking of sleep, here's a hummingbird who snores.
A scientist in Peru captured this, escaping from the tiny body of a sleeping hummingbird. A high-pitched but unmistakable snore.
When boy hummingbirds want to find a wife, they fly really high in the air, and then they dive. And they fly really high in the air, and then dive. And they fly really high and dive. There's a lot of diving. While they dive, their tail feathers catch the wind, which makes a whistling sound. It's a very short whistle sound. Some people think it's a chirp, but it's not. It's their tail feathers. So cool! Hummingbirds are really fast, and they beat their wings 53 times per second. And they fly like acrobats. They can hover, and they can fly upside down and backwards. And now, for kicks and giggles, here's a parrot who loves his new toy. Oh my goodness, he's so excited. He has a new toy. Oh, okay. Now he's dancing. Yes. Oh, he has so much energy. Oh! Now we're rolling around in it. And now we're hopping again and holding it. Oh, and he fell. Whoops. Jump and jump, jump. He's like a little Energizer bunny. An Energizer birdie. Yes. He's very excited. Oh, how sweet. Oh hey, it's my tooties Pip and Sunny. We want to know what your favorite birdie video is. Make sure to share it with us in the comments below. Say bye, tooties. Pip. Oh, Pip. Thanks again for watching my Amino channel. We hope to see you next week for more crazy critter adventures. Be sure to click that subscribe button. See you soon!